My name is Mia Podgorski, and I am a software engineer intern in the Clinical Development Department, and I am a senior at Widener University.
My name's Holly Liebenberg. I'm an intern in the Public Relations Department, and I go to Westchester University.
Hi, my name is Simone Elias. I attend Westchester University. I'm a rising senior, and I am in the UHS PMO department.
I found UHS on LinkedIn. I had never heard of them before, so I looked them up on Google. I always had an interest in healthcare, and I was really happy to see that they have an investment in ESG. So I applied and heard back pretty quickly, and it was a good fit.
I found UHS through a collegiate career fair where I met Katie, representing UHS, and through that fair she was telling me about many internship opportunities. So later that day I looked at the vast amount of internship opportunities, and I was able to find project management internship where I applied, had my interview, met Patty, my manager, and through that I was able to be in the position that I'm in right now.
I discovered my internship opportunity at UHS through LinkedIn, which I reached out to HR, and they got back to me pretty quickly with a phone interview, which led to several more interviews and then my internship. UHS has provided me with an enriching internship experience by hosting lunch and learns, professional development workshops, networking events, and weekly intern check-ins.
UHS provided me with an experience where I was able to improve upon my public speaking and interpersonal communications with members of my team, the project management team, as well as other teams around me.
My supervisors have been really great in being attentive, even when I ask a ton of questions, and they sat me down at the beginning and asked what goals I had for the internship and then made sure to align the projects with those goals. I also feel like I've always had an ample amount of work. I'm never overwhelmed, but I've really gotten to soak in all of the projects that I'm taking on and learn a lot from them. So I've always had an interest in healthcare, so that's been really interesting to be involved with. But I'm also a marketing major, so it's been interesting to be involved on the public relations sides of things because they're similar, but they have a lot of differences. And HR has also been really great in having lunch and learns where the interns can learn about different departments like revenue cycle, supply chain, finance, and all of that. So it's been really interesting to learn about those different areas as well as meet people from them. And I've also gotten to network with a lot of people and talk about not only their roles now, but roles they've had in the past in other industries that I'm also interested in.
My experience at UHS has helped me prepare to begin my professional career as a software engineer by having learned the life cycle of enterprise software development, best development practices, and agile development.
My experience at UHS allowed me to improve upon but also utilize skills like communication, documentation, and collaboration, which I believe are integral parts in any professional pursuits that I will personally be utilizing moving forward after graduation.
So I feel really lucky to have been able to be immersed in the company culture of UHS. Just in my first week, we had Howie Roseman, who is the general manager of the Philadelphia Eagles, come to speak. We also had a taco truck and an ice cream truck, as well as just a bunch of other really great social opportunities, and I've gotten to meet a bunch of really amazing people through that. So I want to give a huge thank you to everybody at UHS who has been so helpful and amazing in helping me learn so much during this internship. It's been such a valuable experience, and if you're thinking about applying to UHS internship positions, definitely do it.
I'd like to thank UHS for a wonderful experience. I've greatly benefited from my time here. I had the opportunity to work with some very talented professionals who helped me jumpstart my professional career. If you're interested in interning at UHS, I highly recommend it, as my time here has been extremely meaningful.
I'd like to thank UHS for this internship opportunity. It's been very enriching. I've learned a lot, and and I've enjoyed the process. And to anyone who's looking for an internship opportunity, I would definitely recommend looking at UHS.